take a look at how to add fractions if they're mixed numbers. For example, 2 and 1/3 plus 3 and 2/5. Similarly to when adding fractions that are not like mixed numbers, the denominators need to be the same because we can only add if they're the same size. So the way in which to do that is we can rename these so they have 15ths on the bottom, because 3 and 5 both go into 15. 15 would be the lowest common denominator. So there are a couple of ways in which we can do this. We can, first of all, start by saying that this really is 2 and something over 15. Well, that's something. I would have to multiply the 3 by 5 to get 15, so then this would become 5 plus 3 and something else over 15. I would have to multiply the 5 by 3 to get 15, so this would become 6. Now I'm able to add these together. I have 2 wholes plus 3 wholes. That gives me a total of 5 wholes. And I have 5 fifteenths rather. I have 5 fifteenths here plus the 6 fifteenths here gives me a total of 11 fifteenths. So that one worked out quite well because I was able to add the whole numbers and add the fractions separately. Sometimes that doesn't work out very well, and sometimes when we're combining rational numbers, we may get a situation that looks like this. We may end up getting 2 and a third, and we wish to subtract 3 and 2/5. Well, in this case, it becomes a little more awkward. The easiest way to do this one is to change each to a mixed number, or rather an improper fraction. Recall earlier that the 2 in this case is really code for two groups of 3, so there's 6 there, plus another one. This would become 7/3. And we wish to subtract 3 and 2/5. The 3 in this case means that there's 3 wholes, each containing 5. So that's 15 plus the other 2. That's a total of 17/5. Now we have 7/3 subtract 17/5. Again, we can change it to common denominators, and that will make our job easier. So we have 15, and this would be 35 over 15, which is the same as 7/3. And we are subtracting. We need to multiply that by 3. So we end up getting 51 over 15. And now we have 35 subtract 51 on the top, and we will get an answer of 15 here. 35 subtract 51 will give us a negative answer, and we will end up getting 16, negative 16. Well, we have an improper fraction. We can leave it as negative 16 over 15, or we can say that this is negative 1 and 1/15.